follow the next day.
I, Francis Cheese G. Escudero,
solemnly swear
that
in all things appertaining to
the
trial of the impeachment of
Vice President Sara
Zimmerman Duterte,
now pending,
I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and laws of the Philippines.
So help me God.
It is notable to point out, however, na nang nag-take na ng oath ang mga senator judges, may tatlong hindi nagsuot ng robe. Sina Amy Marcos, Robin Padilla, at Cynthia Villar. I mean, even Bongo and Bato de la Rosa voted too. And even wore the robe. Stupid.
Ma'am? Wala eh. Hindi ako ginawa.
Ay, wala pang nagawa? Wala pa pong nagawa, ma'am, na robe?
In the deliberation part of the motion to convene ni Senator Coco Pimentel, Senator Bato de la Rosa even said na sino ba yung nagsasabi or sinasabi ni Senator Coco Pimentel na taong bayan. That he shouldn't use the word taong bayan dahil sa Visayas at Mindanao raw, nung inikot niya, ito ang sabi.
But at least we have convened the court. And then sunod lang tayo sa Constitution kasi we should also believe that the Constitution has its own wisdom. Kasi ratified din ng taong bayan po yan. Baka nalimutan natin. Ratified by the people ang ating Constitution.
Hindi ako abogado, pero ako ay isang Pilipino na gusto sana na hindi na tayo magkakagulo sa Pilipinas. Hindi tayo magkawatak-watak. At yung mga nagyayabang dyan, na sabi nila, gusto daw ng taong bayan, na ito ay talagang magkakaroon na kagad ng impeachment, taong bayan, ginagamit. I don't know kung sinong taong bayan yung sinasabi nila. Because, alam ko, Mr. President, halos lahat ng tao ng